Hey, it's Tim up here in beautiful, cold Vancouver, British Columbia. It is a nice sunny day, but very, very cold outside. So I wanted to get back into doing a few more videos. So today, Friday, I'm going to be opening this double pack of 2020 update. Again, I know people are kind of tired of it, possibly, but it's the last one I've got. And depending on what I get, if I'm a little disappointed, I've got a extra pack of a surprise pack to open up. If we get something nice out of here, I'll save the surprise pack for later. So let's see what we can end up getting. It says that we get one exclusive red parallel card inside, but this is blue. So I don't know if that actually counts as, I'm going to guess that's the parallel. So, even though it's blue, not red, but it's a Bryce Harper, so that's nice. So we'll let that one go. And I've got these two packs here, 16 cards each, 2020. So let's see what we can find. Hopefully something good. So there is Michael Hermosillo. There's a rookie card. Nick Turley. There is Chesler Cuthbert. They're throwing all the tough ones at me. Gabe Spear, rookie card. Christian Arroyo. Trent Grisham, rookie card. Josh Fegley. David McKay. Richard Blyer. Hey, got it upside down. Oh, it's a gold card. Because I can tell that because there it is out of 2020. It's a double card. Jose Ramirez and Francisco Lindor. And it's a nice gold card. You know, I don't think I've ever pulled out of any series any year so far, and I've been really doing this since about 2018. I don't think I've pulled a card that's got two people on it, a double like that, that's a gold card. So that's new for me. We'll stick that one there. There's a Trevor Bauer Turkey Red. There's Grayson Grenier. Curie Maya, Joey Votto, David Ortiz, and the last card is a Zach Greinke. So definitely out of that pack, this is definitely going to be the best card. Nice gold Jose Ramirez, Francisco Lindor. Out of 2020, 2018 out of 2020. Nice card. Okay, and I've got 1, 2, 3 rookies. And let me just go through this one little set here just to make sure I didn't miss another rookie. Sometimes that little RC is like in the most precarious spots. And with my eyes, I can't find it. Okay, so there is no other rookie in that pack. That's an empty one. So here's the next pack. Cross our fingers. Hope we get something good. There's a Miles Straw. And a Nico Horner rookie card. That's a nice one. Jerry Rodriguez. Dario Agrazal, rookie card. Jake Maresnik, or Maresnik. Tito Martinez. Get that back in here. Oh, that's a nice card. Junior Guerrera. Yoshi Hirano. Miguel Cabrera. Oh, there's a nice Christian Yelich 35-year card with the Brewers. Nice card. Always a nice card to get. Anything with a Nolan Ryan. Turkey Red. Love Nolan Ryan. Albert Pujols. Zach Wheeler. Houston, we have Liftoff. I definitely have that card in this one already. Alex Bregman and Yordan Alvarez. Andrew McCutchen. Wow. Oh, okay, yeah, on the Pirates. That's when he was on the Pirates. Oh, it's a 2013 All-Star game. That's nice. Okay, so that's kind of like going back. And there's Albert Pujols All-Star game, didn't I? Yeah, I had another. So there's two Albert Pujolses in there. So that's the best card, in my opinion. I love the Nolan Ryan card. Maybe the Christian Yelich. And of these other ones, it's kind of hard for me because I don't really, the only ones that really, I don't know. It's all these other rookie cards. I'm just going to, just because it's just 2 packs that I did, we'll just throw out all the rookie cards. And you guys, tell you what you do in the comments. Let me know which rookie cards you thought were the best. Okay, which was your top of these 5 rookie cards? Which one was your top rookie card? Which one do you think was the best? Okay, that would be. Let me get that over there for you. That sounds cool. All right, because I just can't wait. I've got one of these packs, one, way at the bottom of my box, and I'm hoping I get something good out of it. It is 2019 Series 2, 14 cards, 1 pack. I don't have any more. Oh, let's see what Fernando Tatis, maybe. Could it possibly be in there? You guys probably by now know the which cards are the indicator cards, so you'll probably know before I do. Just by looking at it, you'll see somebody in there and go, oh, it's after that one. Okay, Patrick Wisdom, rookie card. Malik Smith. Pablo Reyes. Powerful pair. Oh, that'd be so nice to get a Fernando. Pete O'Brien. He's getting this close. I've got a good feeling I got somebody good in here. Oh, there's a nice 150-year card. Adam Duvall. It's a nice card. Oh. Jaiman Choi. I've got so many of that card. Oh. Waylon Chen. David Peralta. Got a lot of those. Hernan Perez. David Hess, getting down to the bottom. I know it's a panorama type card. Oh. Adalberto Mejia. Alex Avila. This one is, no it's not, it's just upside down. Oh, Jorge Alfaro. Oh, so disappointing. That was definitely a disappointment, but it's the anticipation. I don't think I had anything that was numbered. We'll just go through the back of the... Oh, holy cow, I did! How did that happen? Oh, okay. So this Jaiman Choi is numbered out of 150. Oh, it's an advanced stat card. That's why. Pretty darn good. I looked through there. I've missed so many times as far as a it's not in that series, but that's definitely the best card out of that. I missed so many. That's why I go through them and back, through the backs of them again, just in case I, like that, end up with one that's numbered and didn't see it at the very beginning. So just going through the rest of them, just in case, and nothing else. So that was pretty good. And I think I did that already with these, but just for the heck of it, those 2 packs, I better go through this too, right? I can't remember, did I do that or not? You get to my age, you're just going to forget what you did 5 minutes ago. So be very easy to see if there's a numbered in there. Is there one of those advanced stats or something like that? So no numbered. Just that one gold card that was numbered. I should have probably figured there's only one that's numbered in there. So enough rambling. Not too bad. Decent gold. That stamped gold 150 year card. That's not too bad, eh? So now let me ask you, I think I know the answer anyways, but so 2 questions. Put in the comments. Which one of these cards overall do you think is the best card? I'm still going with the, it's hard. I'm still going to go with the gold card up here out of the 2020 update. Price-wise, that's kind of what I'm looking at as well. But the stamped, or the 150, up to 150 Jaiman Choi, 89 out of 150. Oops. That's a pretty good card too. I did bring penny sleeves up with me, so I should go ahead and be very careful and put that in there, because that's definitely a good one. And I guess I should probably put the gold card in there too, eh? So we're almost 13 and a half minutes. So go ahead and let me know, which one do you think was, 2 things. One, which one was your best rookie out of the update? Who do you think was the best rookie? And then, out of all of these, which one do you think is the best card overall? All right. Thanks very much. I greatly appreciate you guys watching, hanging out. I will be doing more and more videos. I actually, if you guys are watching March Madness, once the finals are determined, I will be doing a special basketball breaking. I've got a box of 2019-2020. I think it's Panini. Can't remember, to be quite honest with you. But a nice box of NBA basketball cards to break open, see what we have in there, and hope for a good rookie. So, and I've also got like 5 orders in PSA that are taking forever. One of them is shipped, but it's at my address in Southern California. I'll be heading back down there in May. So in May, we're going to do at least 1, if not more, PSA reveals. It's a pretty nice card in there. So actually, there's some nice cards in there. So we'll see what happens with that. All right? Okie doke. You guys take care. Have a great weekend. And be good to each other. And I'll see you soon. Thanks.